Students, Assalamu alaikum. It is class 12. And subject zoology. Today's topic is basic concepts of immunity. Basic concepts of immunity. Dear students, basic concepts of immunity. What is actually the immunity and what are its basic concepts? In the basic concepts of immunity, the first thing is infection. Infection. आज के दिनों में सिर्फ infection. Actually, what is it? What is this infection? What is this infection? It refers to the entry and development. We can say it refers to the entry, common development, or multiplication of viruses. When the viruses enter any body, it develops, it takes its development, or it multiplies. When there is entry, development and multiplication of viruses or lower organisms in the body of larger organisms, we call its infection. It is infection. And the disease caused by this infection, we call that disease infectious disease. Infectious disease. Dear students, are you getting my points that I would like to say you? In the basic concept of immunity, the first thing is that's infection. How this infection create? Where is this infection come? When the foreign particles, when any virus, any bacteria, any lower organism enter the body of a larger organism, so anyway, it takes its development inside the body, it takes its multiplication, that is the multiplication of viruses, the multiplication of bacteria, or multiplication of lower organisms in the body of the lower organisms, in the body of the larger organism, we call that they creates an infection in the body of an organism. And the disease which is caused by this infection, we call that disease, it is infectious disease. For example, nowadays, coronavirus. It is a virus when it enters the body. By any way, it takes its development, it takes its multiplication inside the body, and it creates a disease. We call that's called 19. That is an infectious disease. That is why these infectious diseases are always communicable disease. It takes it separate, it transmits from one person to another person by one way or another way. Though these are the infectious disease. For example, fever. It is an infectious disease. For example, Nazla and Zukam. It is an infectious disease. For example, chest infection. It is an infectious disease. For example, tuberculosis. It is an infectious disease. So these are the basic concepts of, if we take about the basic concept of immunity, there is the first thing that is infection. What is infection? How this infection creates? And what are the causative agents of this infection? Then the second point is contamination. Cause of this infection. Contamination means unwanted or disease causing agents. When there are disease causing agents present in no living materials. When there is a presence of disease causing agents in low living materials such as food, such as water, such as milk, such as etc. when there is a presence of disease causing agents, or we, in other words, we can say unwanted materials, disease causing agents. The presence of disease causing agents in a non-living materials which are necessary, which are essential for a living organism, such as food, water, milk, we call that these are contamination. This is contamination, and they are used by a host without any response of the pathogens. They are used by the host without the response of any pathogens. Without the response of any pathogens. Now the second concept, the second point, that is contamination. First of all, the infection. Then the third point, that is infestation. एक होता है infection, दूसरा होता है infestation. What is this infestation? The development and reproduction of parasites on the surface of the body. Infestation. The development and the reproduction. You may like that. The development and the reproduction of the parasites on the surface of the body. On the surface of the body. When there is the development and the reproduction on the surface when there is the development and reproduction of parasites on the surface of the body, we call that it is infestation of the body. For example, Lewis infestation. Lewis infestation. This is the third point of the basic concepts of immunity, that is the development and the reproduction of the parasites on the surface of the body. For example, Lewis infestation. Then the fourth thing, that is the most important, that is immunity. What is immunity? Basic concepts of this immunity, that is immunity. Immunity. Yes, students, immunity is the ability of the organism. Is the ability of the organism to recognize the foreign materials. It is the ability. It is the ability of the organism. Ability of the organism to recognize the foreign particles, to foreign these disease causing agents. This immunity is the most important. We always stress upon the immune system, how immune system can be developed, how immune system can be created. This is the basic thing, that is the immunity is the ability of the organism to recognize the foreign particles or the chemicals that enter the body, or the chemicals to enter the body. So we can say immunity is the ability of the organism to recognize the foreign particles or the chemicals that enter the body and to mobilize the cell and cell products of the body, and to mobilize the cell and the cell products of the body. Cell products of the body. Though we can say that immune system, immunity is the ability, it is the capability of the organism to recognize the foreign particles, the foreign chemicals, the toxic substances which tries to enter the body and to mobilize the cell and the cell products of the body. This is the immunity. Then, inshallah, tomorrow we will discuss immunology, vaccine, history of vaccine, and some other things. That's the end.